All of the things that I have burned my tongue on during the coronavirus outbreak. My tea, my coffee, chicken nuggets, pizza rolls, garlic bread, curry, tacos, green beans, oatmeal, all of the cuss words, all of the things that nourish me, all of the things that don't, my own trapped voice, the heat of my own fear, his name, my name too, the word death, the word poor, mommy's end of life plan, mashed potatoes. La Vie and Rose. Edith Piaf's voice pours out of my headphones and the bubblicious I'm popping begins to taste like creme brulee. All of the tears in my mouth become full and decadent and the most indulgent sweet. My tongue curls in French silk as I sing along with Edith. My dirty sweatpants are Chanel. The Ritz crackers I forced myself to eat today are the most buttery croissants. My unkempt apartment is a chateau. At this moment, I am not a Black woman with crippling depression and little will left to survive. Instead, I am alive and in love and loved. I am speaking a language I don't understand, but that's okay because I know what love feels like. Love makes you crawl out of your hiding place, and I have found myself again. I've sung my bones back from their brokenness. I'm taking a break from my crumpled body. I came to do some living today. Je vois la vie en rose. Yes, for now, I am living, and that is reason enough to sing.